Welcome to this tutorial on how to add reviews to your Shopify store. Adding reviews is a great way to increase customer trust and boost sales. In this guide, we will walk you through the process step by step. First, you need to install a review app from the Shopify App Store. There are many apps available such as Product Reviews or Yotpo. Once you have chosen an app, click the Add App button and follow the installation instructions. After installing the app, you need to configure the settings. This includes choosing the layout and design of the reviews as well as setting up the rating system. You can usually find these settings in the app dashboard. Next, you need to add the review widget to your product pages. This is usually done by copying and pasting a code snippet into your theme files. The app will provide you with instructions on how to do this. Once the review widget is installed, customers can start leaving reviews. You can also import reviews from other sources such as Google or Facebook. Make sure to moderate reviews to ensure they are genuine and helpful. To encourage customers to leave reviews, you can offer incentives such as discounts or free gifts. You can also send automated emails after a customer has made a purchase asking them to leave a review. Best practices for using reviews in your Shopify store include responding to all reviews, both positive and negative, and using reviews to improve your products and customer service. You should also make sure reviews are easy to find and read on your website. By following these steps, you can add reviews to your Shopify store and start increasing customer trust and sales. Remember to choose a reputable review app and follow best practices to get the most out of reviews. With reviews, you can build a strong reputation and grow your business.